guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a surprise Dollar Tree haul. I was pleasantly surprised when I went into Dollar Tree the other day because they had a lot of their fall and even some Halloween items out. So I'm really excited to show you these. I haven't really seen a whole lot of other people showing Halloween showing up in their stores, and typically speaking, in years past, my stores typically don't put out their Halloween stuff until a couple weeks after majority of people start posting videos. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I found. I even have on my super cute little jack-o'-lantern earrings for the occasion, just because I don't get to wear them that often and I'm super excited. So let's jump right in. Alright, so I have several bags over here, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump into the Halloween and fall items. So the first thing I have, and I do apologize for crinkling bags, I have them all in bags sitting over here. And then also, if you see Bear, he'll probably be running around in the back of my video from time to time, so just FYI. So the first thing that I found at Dollar Tree were these adorable little outside stakes. So they are these metal pumpkins with images in them. So I picked up 3. So I have the red truck. They're so cute. This is what the back looks like. They're just plain. They're just kind of that little metal with the image on it with a little leaf on the top. So cute. So I have the truck. Then we have a little wagon, which is also adorable. And then apparently I picked up 2 of the trucks. I meant to grab, there's a bicycle is the other one, but apparently I grabbed 2 trucks instead of a bicycle. So there's that one. And then in their floral section, I was surprised. They had a bunch, and I'm probably gonna get glitter all over the place. They had a bunch of these picks. These are, they're called branches, and they have orange, purple, and black. And let's see. So this is what you get with one pick. I love these. I've seen these similar items like at Michael's, and I've used them before in previous years for crafting and stuff. So I went ahead and picked up, I think, 3 black, 1 orange, and 1 purple. I might go back and get some more. They also have a red one, which I thought was an interesting color, since red isn't typically used for Halloween, but I can understand why. But these are really pretty. Do be aware though that if you do purchase them, you will get glitter everywhere. Next up, I found some fall, 1 fall and 2 not fall. I picked up a pack of the burlap leaves, just the regular burlap ones. I believe they also have colored ones. I just picked up 1 of these. I might need another pair. I'm planning on doing some Halloween and fall DIYs, so keep a lookout for that. That's what a lot of this stuff is going to be used for. And then I picked up 2 of the Crafter's Square word letters. So I got 2 of those. Don't remember seeing these in past years, but this is one of them. So these are the red ones. They are just like red roses, and this is what a single pick looks like. So I have 3 of these. But what's super fun is they actually have little glittered skulls on them, which is super cool. So you get 2 glittered skulls, and then I think 4 flowers to 1 pick. So I picked up 3 of those. And then I also picked up 2 of the purple ones. These ones I love the color on the roses on these. They're not like a solid purple. They're kind of more of a gradient between like a deep blue and like a violet. But these ones are super cute because these actually have little bats on them, which is super cute. I really love these. I think they'll be really cute in some sort of a DIY vase or something. So next up I have I think I just got 1 of these. I picked up 1 of these little white pumpkins. Now these are different from what I've seen in the past. This actually has like an embossed leaf print on them. I don't know if the camera's picking it up very well. And then they have the gold tops on them. These are super cute. They're kind of like a ceramic material. But I just thought these were unique and a little bit different from previous year, because normally they have like the glazed ones and different ones. So I don't know if they have other colors in these. I'm going to be keeping an eye out for those. But I do really love the white ones because they go with my Halloween decor. But I got that one. I also grabbed one, so they had these little block signs. So I just picked up one of these, and this one just says Harvest Blessings. They did have a bunch of the other ones as well. I just picked up this one because I really liked the wood look on the base of this. Next, I grabbed 3 of these Welcome Friends Burlap pumpkin guys. So I have the 2 smaller ones with the sunflower, and then I also picked up one of the Hello Fall in the glitter. I have a DIY in mind that I'm going to use these for, so keep a lookout for that. I also picked up one of the shadow box signs. This one is, I believe, a new one. They had a bunch of the other ones from last year out. So this is the new print, I guess, that they had out this year. Let our hearts be full of thanks and giving. More for Thanksgiving and fall theme than Halloween, but I still really like the quote. Not sure if I'm going to leave this as is or if I'm going to use the actual box for some sort of DIY yet. So keep a lookout. And then the last thing that I have in this bag is one of these little washi tapes. Now this isn't Halloween or fall themed. It's just one that I haven't seen before and has my couple of my favorite things on it. So it's kind of like a Hawaiian tropical theme. It's got little flamingos and hibiscus flowers and pineapple with little hearts and stuff. Really, really cute. Really excited to find that. I also picked up another one of those little wood shadow boxes. This is just the Autumn Blessings. I think this is also a new one for this year. I love this like sage green color. It looks really cute. It definitely fits in for fall. So I grabbed one of the metal words. This one says happy. I'm not sure. Yep, it says happy on it. Hoping to use this on some sort of a craft, so we'll see how that works out. And then the rest of what I bought are not fall and Halloween items. So I needed some plain white tissue for my Poshmark stuff, so I grabbed some of that since I'm all out. And then I needed some more of the Hallmark thank you cards, also for my Poshmark. These are a huge, great savings, great deal. I pick up 2 packs at a time whenever they have them. I noticed that they've been selling out of a lot of the prints that they normally have, so I'm hoping that they'll get some more in. These aren't the usual ones that I get, but that's what they had, and I needed some, so that's what I grabbed. These actually retail for $3.89, and they're $1 at Dollar Tree, so that's a great deal. So next, I grabbed 2 sets. Well, one's a pair of 2 and one's a single of these scrunchy hairbands, scrunchies. This one is a pack of pink and gray. Really like these. I've been wearing these a lot in my hair, so I'm glad to find some more. And this one I thought was cute because this one's actually like a velvet material, so it's super soft. So I grabbed those, and they only had black in the velvet, and then they had the pink and the gray. So I don't know if there's other colors, but definitely love those. Next, I decided to jump on the bandwagon of the press-on fashion nails. As you can see, my nails are bare right now. I haven't had my nails done in quite some time, especially with everything going on right now. I usually go with my mom to get our pedicure right around summertime, so we can, you know, when you're wearing your sandals and your flip-flops, showing off your toes at the pool. Yeah. But we haven't been able to go this year, so I decided I would go ahead and try some of these. I've seen a lot of people haul these and rave about them and love them. I haven't ever tried them out, so I'm hoping that things go well. But I got these navy and white ones. I thought they were cute. They had a bunch of different prints, so definitely something for everyone. Really cute. And then the last things that I grabbed, one is kind of a boring thing, but I picked up another one of the ultra fine black Sharpies. With all the school stuff out, they have a ton of these in stock. They also have a ton of regular Sharpie markers. I couldn't find any black ones, but they had like pink and orange and I think navy at my store. So I went ahead and just grabbed one of these ultra fine ones. I use these a lot for crafting and scrapbooking, memory keeping, all that kind of stuff. And then the last things that I found I was kind of excited for, I haven't seen these at Dollar Tree in my area. I picked up 3 of the Wet n Wild makeup brushes. These are white and then they have like pink tops on them. So I just picked up one of each that they had. So I got a contour brush, a smoky liner brush, and a small eyeshadow brush. So those are the 3 that I found at my Dollar Tree this week. So I'm going to definitely be on the lookout for more Halloween items as they start rolling them out in my stores. Definitely keep you guys updated with what I find. Make sure to leave a comment and like this video for more content, and stay tuned for some spooky DIYs coming soon. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!